Hello everyone! Spring is finally here, and it's a great time to go on a nature walk or scavenger hunt. Hiking can exercise your heart and can increase your energy. In our area, there are many places to walk and be physically active. Come along with me as I share my nature hunt with you. First, I found a variety of mushrooms, lichens, and fungi. Some grew in the soil, while others were stuck to logs and trees. They differ in their shape, texture, size, and color. This black one is called a cup-shaped mushroom. Flowers add color to the forest floor and along the trails. Some blooming flowers have a special job producing fruit, like apple trees, strawberries, and blueberries. Bees are also attracted to all the yellow flowers that bloom in the spring. Leaves come in all shapes, sizes, textures, and colors. Some leaves have intricate details of lines running through their veins. This leaf reminds me of an umbrella. And this leaf is a wild leek or a ramp. Tracks in the mud are shared by animals. Do you recognize any? And they are also shared by humans. A centipede or a millipede. Maybe you know which one it is called. It has beautiful, brightly colored stripes. The snail shows its spiral on its glossy shell, while tiny polka dots lay on this bright orange salamander's back. The slug's color camouflages with the dead leaves and tree bark. The snail hides in the crevice of a rock. Who is playing peekaboo behind the flower? It's a snake! Nuts and pine cones are food for some animals. If they are not eaten, they will grow into a tree. Here are young pine cones clustered together, growing on a pine tree. Toads lay eggs in the water like a frog. The eggs stay in the water until they hatch. Turkeys make their nests on the ground and keep them warm until they hatch. The robin's egg has already hatched. This nest, made from mud, is stuck to the side of a rock. Fossils can be found on large and small rocks. This one has a fern on it. Moss grows on the ground, logs, and rocks. It grows best in damp areas with low light. Cattails are waiting for the wind to blow their tiny seeds far away. This is last year's seed pod of a milkweed plant. These colorful tree seeds are waiting to germinate and become saplings. Turkey feathers come in different sizes, long ones and short. Busy beavers tried to chew through the big tree. However, the task was just too much. Hollow trees become homes to many different animals. Art can be found everywhere in nature. Notice the spiral shape of the fiddlehead fern. As it grows taller, tiny leaves appear. Grapevines grow upward and wrap around trees. Look at this one entangled in its own design. Birds and other animals pecked and scratched into a dead tree to find insects to eat. They didn't know their sculpting formed a face. This looks like a pen and ink abstract drawing when viewed closely, but farther away it becomes bark of a young tree. Now that I've shared my nature walk with you, I hope you can do the same. Make sure to stay safe and have a trusted adult with you. I can't wait to see what you find. Happy hunting!